exercise A, we are asked to complete the following. That 1 over 3 is equivalent to dash over 6. How do I know my unknown? All you need to do is to find the equivalent fraction of 1 over 6 that gives you box over 6. For me to do that, you have so many ways of getting it. You ask yourself, what will I multiply by 3 to give me 6? The answer is 2. So remember, in equivalent fraction, I said you are to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by a common factor, and that factor you multiply the numerator with is what you use in multiplying the denominator. If 3 has been multiplied by 2 to get 6, it therefore means that I'll also multiply the numerator by that same factor 2 to get the numerator. So it is said to be, if 2 times 3 is 6, then I'll also multiply the numerator by 2 to get my new numerator. So this is equal to 2 over 6. So 2 over 6 is said to be the equivalent fraction of 1 over 3. Same goes to B. The numerator is given when we are asked to find the new denominator. So all you need to do is to divide the new numerator by the old numerator to get that factor. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So it therefore means that the numerator has been multiplied by 3 to get 6. I'll also do same to the denominator, multiply it by 3, and that gives me 9. So that 6 over 9 is said to be equivalent to 2 over 3. C, you have 1 over 8. Also divide 40 by 8, it gives you 5, and this is times 5. You also multiply the numerator by 5, that gives you 5 over 40. For D, 6 divided by 1 is 6, so it therefore means that the numerator has been multiplied by 6. You also multiply the denominator by 6, and when you multiply 12 by 6, 2 times 6 is 12, you write down 2 and carry 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So your answer is 72. E, we have to find the equivalent fraction of 1 over 10. So it therefore means that 10 divided by 1 is 10, meaning the numerator has been multiplied by 10. You also multiply the denominator by 10, and 10 times 10 gives you 100. So it's as simple as ABC. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you're yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall now take exercise 1A2.